Let's summarize what we've covered in this module. Files are opened using the built-in open function, which accepts a file mode. This controls read, write, append behavior, and also whether the file is treated as binary or encoded text data. For text data, it's good practice to always specify an encoding. Text files differ from binary files by dealing with string objects and performing universal new line translation and string encoding. Binary files deal with bytes objects with no new line translation or encoding. When you write text files, it's up to us to provide new line characters for line breaks. Files should always be closed after use to prevent resource leaks and ensure that all data has been committed to the file system. Files provide various convenience methods for working with lines, but are also iterators, which yield values line by line. Files are also context managers and can be used with the with statement. This ensures that cleanup operations, such as closing files, are performed. The notion of file-like objects is loosely defined, but very useful in practice. Exercise easier to ask forgiveness than permission to make the most of them. Context managers aren't restricted to file-like objects. We can use the tools in the context-live standard library module, such as the closing wrapper, to create our own context managers. Along the way in this module, we found that help can be used on instance objects, not just types, and Python supports bitwise operators, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, and left and right bitwise shifts. We've given you some powerful tools in this module for getting data into and out of your programs. Next time we'll look at how to make your programs correct with debuggers, reliable with unit testing, and deployable to other computers and people with packaging. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next and last module.